Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shehzad Fareed, Senior Instructor Mechanical GST Multan. I'm also student of Batch 3 Rehan School Online Academy. Today I watched the video, TEDx talk video of Jawaharlal Nehru, and after listening, I want to discuss some argues. My point of view, he argues the world has changed, but our teaching method have not caught up. Instead of focusing on teaching, he says must focus on learning. Jawaharlal begins by pointing out that most classrooms still follow a century old model. The teacher speaks and student listen. It's system designed for the industrial age, where memorization and discipline were more important than creativity and curiosity. He argues the students today live in radically different worlds. They have access to limitless information through the internet, AI, smartphones, and global communities. But despite this, our classrooms continue to use outdated top-down teaching methods. According to him, students become passive, learning becomes boring, creativity dies, and education becomes discontinued from real life. One of the key ideas he introduces is the difference between teaching and learning. Teaching is about delivering information. Learning is about internalizing, understanding and applying it. He stresses that a teacher can teach for hours, but students may still learn nothing. Real learning happens when students explore, questions, experiments, fail, reflect and try again. Jawaharlal explains that children are naturally curious. They are born explorers, but as they enter rigid school system, curiosity slowly disappears. There is always one correct answer. Questions are interruption, mistakes are failures, and grades matter more than understanding. A powerful message in talk is that learning becomes more meaningful only when it is self-driven. Jawaharlal gives examples of the student who learned faster and deeper when they were allowed to explore, experiment and follow their interests. He emphasizes students must be given freedom to think, assignments should promote creativity, learning should be connected to real life problems, and classrooms should become labs of discovery. He clarifies that he is not saying teachers are unnecessary. In fact, teachers are more important than ever, but their role must change. Guides, the teacher should be guides, facilitators, mentors, designers of learning experience. He compared teachers to coaches who create the environment where learning thrives, and the best teacher don't give answer, they help students discover answer on their own. Jawaharlal highlights another barrier in learning, the fear of failure. Students are terrified of making mistakes because the system punishes them through grades and judgment. But failure is not the opposite of learning, it's the foundation of learning. He encourages teachers to normalize mistakes, embrace trial and error, and create a safe space where students can grow without fear. In final part of his talk, Jawaharlal imagines a world where classrooms are joyful, active, and filled with curiosity, a world where students learn because they want to, not because they have to, a world where education is not about memorizing answers but about discovering possibilities. Because when learning becomes active, meaningful, and student led, education becomes powerful, relevant, and transformative. Thank you for watching this video.